I'm about to unveil to you a project that has taken me 2 months. Ta-da! Still not done. You ever get to the end of a project and you realize you forgot something? Yeah, I kind of did that. I didn't film an intro for this, so we're just going to go back and make believe that I filmed an intro like months before I started this backsplash project. So, yeah, let's try that. Anyway, my name is Chad. You're watching Broke OverLand. Let's build a backsplash. So we're going to do 20 ounces of the hardener, and then we'll do 40 ounces of the clear. And we want this done by volume, not by weight. 20 ounces precisely. Got the heater going because it's 50 degrees outside and it's a little chilly in the shop, so we're kind of hoping we're going to be able to pull this off because we're supposed to do it between 70 and 85 degrees. Right now, 65.8. Okay, well, our surfaces are not exactly up to temp, so I'm hoping this will work. If not, we just ruined, 8 hours of time and $23 worth of pennies and $150 worth of plastic. Not to mention $100 worth of epoxy. So we'll go to 20, so we're going to go to 40 and we do 48 ounces of this, so we'll go to 60. Just had to take a minute and appreciate that sunset. That is gorgeous tonight. Anyway, let's jump in the shop and see how our backsplash turned out. Okay, well, we'll go over here and see how our... Oh, I can already tell we are in trouble. Yeah. I kind of thought we had a little bit of a leaker. Oh well, looks like we got a few air bubbles in there, but nothing that can't be sanded out. And let's see, we got a dry spot over here, right there. A little dry spot. Oh, well, I know where our leak is. It's right along the bottom. Okay, well, let's see if we can pry this thing off the table and start over. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, gross. Wow, I had a lot more leaks than I thought. Yeah. Oh, that's... Yeah. Okay, good. Ooh, it's gooey.
So we need to leave that laying flat-ish. Otherwise this thing is going to flow. It's like popping zits. Oh, that was a mistake. Yep, fucked that up. Okay, well, we don't do that then. We leave the bubbles and sand through them once it's completely dry. Because this, poke, yikes. Interesting. I wonder what would happen if I hit it with a torch. Let's find out. I mean, come on, how bad can we screw it up? Oh, it reflows. Oh, sweet. Man, that's so sweet. So now, maybe just leave it for tomorrow and wait till it's dry. Then we can, if it's not tacky anymore, we can scuff it and then float another thin layer over here. Actually, I'll turn this around so that this is lower. Well, first I'll flip it up, find out where that leak is, pump the whole backside full of frickin' hot glue. Yeah, well, let's try this again tomorrow. Well, there we go. You can hear the heater going in the background. It's a blustery 39 degrees outside. Our penny backsplash has tacked up. And now we just need to figure out how we're going to get all the wood pieces off the side, because as you can see, we had a lot leak through. And at least it's not glued to the table. Oh, it is. Never mind. False alarm. It's glued to the table. All right, well, let's see if we can start maybe whacking this thing with a hammer and get that piece off.
Dead battery. Shit.
Got a little close on that one, but we're good.
These are quite satisfying, by the way.
You can tell how deep you are by the smell. When you hit that plastic, it really just digs in there. Let's pump the wall full of spooge. All right. Oh my God, this thing is heavy. Oh shit, I hit it. Yeah. The wall is just compressed. Okay, sweet. That's gonna line up flush. Hell yeah, brother. All right, let's put a cabinet in, shall we? Come on, really? There you are. Little bastard. There we go. You get in there. Stay. All right.
Loctite is actually sweet. Didn't know that. Gee, lemony Christmas. A little bit of a scratch. No big deal. That's pretty good. Heck yeah. I like it. So we just got to put our trim pieces around it on the two sides and on the bottom. That's what it's going to look like.
And there we go. We have ourselves a backsplash. Hope you liked this episode. If you did, give it a like down below. Give us a thumbs up. And subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'll talk about something that is worse than watching paint dry. Whoa. I have no idea what the fuck I was going to say. That is very hot. You ever want to know how much money a YouTuber makes? Look at that. It's all my revenue for the first year and a half of YouTube. All $21.76 of it. I decided to make a backsplash out of it in pennies. Of course, you know, it wouldn't cover, so I had to use some Canadian pennies because, you know, exchange rate and, you know, from Canada. But anyway, you want to watch me make this piece of shit? Stick around. Probably not say shit. It's terrible revenue. Terrible. This coffee is really hot, so I'm not actually going to take a sip.